Explore the essentials of priority queues and heaps in Python. Learn how these structures enable efficient data management and discover their practical applications. This course will guide you through fundamental concepts, heap operations, and Python implementations, equipping you with the skills to optimize performance in real-world scenarios. Binary heaps are a key data structure for implementing priority queues efficiently. They maintain a complete binary tree structure, ensuring the smallest element is always at the root. Operations like insert and extract min are performed in logarithmic time, making heaps ideal for scenarios requiring frequent priority updates and efficient retrieval of the highest priority element. A priority queue is an abstract data type where each element has a priority. Elements with higher priority are dequeued first, unlike standard queues that follow first in, first out. This makes priority queues crucial for algorithms prioritizing importance over arrival time. Think of an emergency room. Critical cases are treated first, regardless of arrival time. Priority queue operations include insert, which adds an element with its priority in O log n time. Extract min, max, removes the highest priority element, also in O log n time. Peek allows viewing the highest priority element in O1 time, and is empty checks if the queue is empty, also in O1 time. Binary heaps are optimal for priority queues, offering O log n for both insertion and extraction. They outperform unsorted arrays, which have poor extraction times, and sorted arrays, which are limited to static priorities. Binary search trees are useful when additional operations are needed, but binary heaps provide the best balance of efficiency and simplicity. Binary heaps are complete binary trees that maintain the heap property, ensuring efficient operations. They are stored as arrays, optimizing memory use. The complete binary tree property keeps the tree balanced, ensuring logarithmic height. In a min heap, each parent node is smaller than its children, allowing constant time access to the minimum element at the root. A binary heap is a complete binary tree ensuring all levels are filled except the last, maintaining balance and logarithmic height. It satisfies the heap property. In a min heap, parents are smaller than children. In a max heap, parents are larger. This allows constant time access to the root element, optimizing insertion and extraction. Binary heaps are stored in arrays, utilizing the complete tree structure for efficient parent-child calculations. In a zero-indexed array, the parent of node I is at I1, 2, with children at 2, I plus 1 and 2, I plus 2. This method is common in Python, offering a streamlined approach to heap operations. Heap operations are crucial for maintaining the heap property. Insertion involves adding an element at the end and using the bubble-up process to restore order. Extraction removes the root, replaces it with the last element, and uses bubble down to maintain structure. Heapify efficiently transforms an arbitrary array into a valid heap, ensuring optimal performance. Inserting an element into a heap starts by appending it at the end, maintaining the complete tree structure. The bubble-up process then restores the heap property by comparing the new element with its parent and swapping if necessary. This continues until the heap property is satisfied or the root is reached, ensuring efficient insertion with O log n complexity. Extracting the minimum element from a heap involves removing the root and maintaining the heap structure. Save the root, replace it with the last element, and remove the duplicate. Restore the heap property by bubbling down the new root, comparing with children, and swapping with the smaller child until the heap property is restored. Heapify efficiently transforms an unsorted array into a heap in On time using a bottom-up approach. Starting from the last non-leaf node, index n-2, 1, apply bubble down to each node, moving backward to the root. This ensures the global heap property is maintained, as most nodes require minimal adjustments. Python's heapeq module efficiently implements a min heap using lists. Key functions include heap push to add elements, heap pop to remove the minimum, and heapify to convert lists into heaps. For max heaps, negate values. Use n-largest and n-smallest to find top elements. This module simplifies heap operations without custom classes. Python's heapq module provides efficient min-heap operations using lists. Key functions include heap push for adding elements, heap pop for removing the minimum, and heapify for converting lists to heaps. Use n largest and n smallest to find top elements. Remember, heapq only supports min heaps. For max heaps, negate values or use custom comparison classes. To implement a max heap using Python's heapq, negate values during insertion and extraction. For numeric data, this is efficient. Alternatively, use a custom comparison class for complex objects. This approach allows natural ordering by overriding comparison methods, providing flexibility in handling diverse data types. Priority queues with custom objects are essential in real-world applications. Python's heapq can handle this using tuples or custom comparison methods. For instance, tasks can be prioritized using priority, item, tuples, or a custom class with a chakr RLT chakr method. This allows efficient task management, ensuring critical tasks like bug fixes are addressed first. Real-world applications of heaps are vast. Dijkstra's algorithm uses a min-heap to efficiently find shortest paths, reducing complexity significantly. Huffman coding employs a min-heap for optimal data compression. In operating systems, priority queues manage task scheduling, ensuring high-priority tasks are executed first. Median maintenance uses 2 heaps to maintain a running median efficiently. Classic algorithms leverage heaps for efficiency. Dijkstra's algorithm uses a min-heap to optimize shortest path calculations, reducing complexity significantly. Huffman coding employs a min-heap for building efficient prefix-free codes, crucial in data compression. Task scheduling in operating systems utilizes priority queues for effective process management. Median maintenance uses dual heaps for efficient median tracking in data streams. Finding the k largest elements efficiently is crucial in data processing. Using a min-heap of size k, we maintain the largest elements seen so far. This approach, with O(n) log k time complexity, is optimal when k is much smaller than n. Alternatively, heapq n largest simplifies this task, offering a practical solution for real-world applications. Efficiently merging k-sorted lists using a min-heap involves initializing the heap with the first element of each list. Continuously extract the minimum, adding the next element from the same list. This method achieves O(n) log k time complexity, significantly outperforming pairwise merging by maintaining only k elements in the heap. Optimize performance by using heapify for O(n) heap construction instead of n insertions at O(n) log n. For top k problems, maintain a heap of size k to reduce complexity. For small datasets, consider simple sorting due to lower overhead. Array-based heaps offer better cache performance than tree-based alternatives. Modifying heap elements directly can disrupt the heap's properties. Instead, remove the element, modify it, and reinsert it using heap push. This ensures the heap structure remains intact. Always validate changes to avoid unexpected behavior and maintain efficiency. Understanding heap operations is crucial for efficient algorithm design. Insertion and extraction both have O log n time complexity, while peaking is O(1). Building a heap is O(n), more efficient than multiple insertions. Operations like heap push pop and heap replace optimize performance. However, searching in heaps remains O(n), as they aren't optimized for search tasks. Mastering heaps involves tackling problems like finding the kth largest element using a min-heap, or determining the top k frequent elements by combining a hash map with a heap. For more complex challenges, calculate sliding window medians with 2 heaps, or optimize task scheduling and meeting room allocation using min-heaps. Heaps are efficient priority queues, offering O log n operations for insertion and extraction. Array-based binary heaps excel in space efficiency and cache performance. Python's heapq module is invaluable for both production and interview scenarios. Heaps are crucial in graph algorithms, scheduling, and data compression. Mastering them reveals optimization opportunities in development.